World Day for Safety and Health at Work takes place on April 28th every year. The day was declared by the International Labour Organization (ILO) to promote the prevention of occupational accidents and diseases globally. World Day for Safety and Health at Work is an awareness-raising campaign intended to focus international attention on emerging trends in the field of occupational safety and health and on the magnitude of work-related injuries, diseases and fatalities worldwide. Occupational safety and health can be important for moral, legal and financial reasons. All organizations have a duty of care to ensure that employees and any other person who may be affected by the company's undertaking remain safe at all times.
Being careful may cost you nothing, but carelessness costs your world, goes a famous saying by McNally Jervin. While the nation is battling the COVID-19 pandemic, World Day for Safety and Health is an important day to be observed worldwide. This year, World Day for Safety and Health will focus on communicating the outbreak with infectious diseases with a focus on COVID-19 pandemic. Let us take a look at a short video that will elaborate on the various safety aspects at work.
Now that was a very informative video and it gave us a good insight about how we can follow safety measures in workplaces and why it is important to begin with. April 28th, the day which holds much significance in the lives of workers and employees across the world, was first celebrated by International Labour Organizations or ILO as the World Day for Safety and Health at the workplace for the first time in history in the year 2003, emphasizing the prevention of accidents and diseases at the workplace. The theme of this year is Stop the Pandemic. It is very apt and extremely relevant because of the visible effects of the pandemic on health and work of the workers of all professions. Now let's talk specifically about safety in our current times of this pandemic.
Yes, Shruti, but first I believe to better understand the cause and extent of the problem, we need to look back and see from where it all began. Starting as an epidemic in China in late 2019, it was declared as a pandemic on March 11, 2020 by WHO. As of date, the number of affected are 130,313,463. Number of deaths are 2,842,621. Since it has started, it has put millions of lives at risk by affecting their families and communities at large. Many workers are now unemployed and many office goers had to start work from home. Health and economy of the country are affected at large. There is a dire need to curb the spread by taking precautions at workplace and beyond. Precautions like wearing gloves, wearing masks, proper sanitization, social distancing, etc. Workplace safety promotes the wellness of the employer and the employees alike. Better safety equates to better health, and the healthier the employee is, the more efficiently work he will do. and they are also happier in general. There are very few accidents in a safe working environment. The government and the employers need to leave no stone unturned to sail through this crisis.
We are all busy looking for ways to be safe and healthy. Today, I would like to point out and appreciate the efforts of the healthcare professionals who have been pushed in the front of the line to deal with the affected and sick ones. Health workers are the people whose job is to protect and improve the health of their communities. It includes all the medical personnel like doctors, nurses, pharmacists, lab technicians, and so on. They provide care and quality service to the sick and ailing. The healthcare industry is integral to both the physical and economic health of every person. The healthcare workers and support workers provide an invisible background for all the health systems. Altogether, they make up the global health workforce. So, let's care for them.
The COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in worldwide school closures. During the peak of lockdown, nearly 1.6 billion students were out of the classroom. Overall, close to 200 countries closed their schools in the spring, thereby interrupting the education of nearly 1.5 billion young people. Therefore, we need to deeply reflect on our education systems in light of this unprecedented crisis. The prime role of teachers is to educate the students, and even amidst these hard times, teachers have been facing numerous hardships, adapting to new ways of education and learning new ways of technology daily in order to help their students get used to the new normal. They have faced many challenges in conducting online exams and corrections, but have been successful at teaching their students. We must appreciate the efforts put in by the education sector and our teachers to educate us thoroughly by following the protocols and safety measures implemented by our government. We salute the education sector for their dedication and hard work and would like to advise them to continue following the safety measures for the safety of themselves and others, for we must defeat this pandemic together. Thank you.
Let's take a quick sneak peek into the various measures adopted at Little Flower High School Abbots for keeping the health and working conditions safe and hygienic in the times of this COVID pandemic crisis. The gates of LFHs were finally opened for students after a long 10.5 months. It was a tough but well-considered decision taken by the school management. This carefully thought decision was implemented to perfection. Education was ready to get back on track. Signs and displays all around the school regarding COVID protocol were put up. A medical room and isolation room were kept ready with necessary stocks of medicine and other equipment. The whole campus was sanitized by GHMC staff. Thermal temperature checks were taken and registered. Everyone was required to wear a face mask for protection. Physical distancing was followed in every classroom. 2-meter distance was maintained by students while coming and going from the campus as well. Adequate care and responsibility were taken by the staff and principal. Every little detail was given attention and resolved.
To summarize the video and look at the take-home messages from this video, take a look at the following.
As the coronavirus cases are increasing day by day, the International Labour Organization introduced a new theme for the World Day of Safety and Health at the Workplace.
The new theme is based on the coronavirus outbreak.
The coronavirus outbreak has created an uncertain situation in everyone's life.
Currently, the day also focuses on the prevention of contagious diseases like COVID at the workplace.
The theme creates an awareness among the people to take all the measures to reduce the effect of COVID at the workplace.
United Nations also appreciated all the health workers' courage to work tremendously every day by risking their lives.
Prepare and prevent, don't repair and repent. The World Day for Safety and Health at Work is a significant tool to raise awareness on how to make workplace safe and healthy. We now know that workplace can be of vital importance to prevent and control outbreaks. Adequate health and safety measures at work can play a crucial role in containing the disease while protecting the workers and society at large. Government, employees and workers have a crucial role in tackling the COVID-19 crisis, and their collaboration is the key. mask or respirator? Ponder and choose. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Prabhu. Hope you have enjoyed this video. To stay updated with the latest happenings at LFHS Abbots, stay tuned on our Facebook page and don't forget to drop a like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Just click the bell icon so you never miss a video.